welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to be checking out on this amazing video, and please, I want to thank you guys for all your comments, like, and sharing. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. So let's get right into today's reaction.
Rimpsupaita ja itse tehtyjä löytyy päivän alennettu hinta 19,99, josta löytyy tasoraha. Joo, kyllä tässä selkeästi Fernet-pullon tarpeessa ollaan. Kiitos.
So like, I don't know if they're performing to a crowd, but they didn't show anybody. But if they're performing to an empty crowd, I think I would love that more. It's a different point of view, this different concepts, and the fact they're singing and playing everything by themselves, like that's so incredible.
Yeah, like I know, I am very certain that they are the one that wrote this.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm very certain because the fact that they did their own instrumentals, did their own sound, sang it themselves.
Yeah,
Come
it's
on,
really nice.
come on.
Super
It's
nice.
amazing.
And the part of the lyrics show, like she
The
don't.
sound was mad.
Yeah, it's a part of the lyrics she said that she don't care if the guy is younger,
Yes, that's the
but
thing I
as
wanted
far
But I want to
it's
throw
true
the
love.
question to you guys. You think dating a younger person is... What do you think?
I don't know.
Well, you know, to each person
Yeah.
their own. You know, speaking from the cultural value that we grew up with over here,
Yeah.
it is not really a norm.
Yeah.
You understand? But if there is one thing that we've been taught to do and taught to know is accept each and every person in their own way.
Yeah.
You understand? The only thing you can do is love the person. If you feel like you need to correct the person, give the correction where correction is due. But in my own opinion about younger or older, the truth about the whole matter is whatever makes you happy
Happy.
at the end
And
of the day.
actually, at the end of the day, everybody is different.
Yeah.
You can meet someone that's older and see behave the way you don't like, and then you meet someone that's younger and actually be the person you're looking for. I can still meet another younger person that is not what you like, so it depends on the person at the end of the day. So can't judge everybody in a different situation if you're not there in the situation.
That's nice. Sorry, I just wanted to hear our opinion about it. Okay, guys, thank you for sticking with us to the end of this video, and see you next time in our next update. Bye.
Bye.